Alright guys, welcome back another day with Fitzgerald. Finally got the washing machine fixed and everything replaced. I said I'm going to show y'all how it works. So let's see how it do. Filling up with water right now. This is the starting cycle. I got through replacing all the springs and everything. Let's see how it do. Alright everyone, it's filled up in the washing. Let's get to the spin cycle. Alright everyone, so we're going to go to the spin cycle and see what it does. It was bouncing real bad, remember. Let's see what it does. Here we go. It's going to start spinning, you know. Alright, that's the low spin cycle. Let's see what it's going to do when you catch the fast spin cycle. Fast spin cycle, guys, that's what it was. It was a spring, so please like and share this video. It's been a blessing. I hope it helps someone.